As a shop that's run millions of parts, here's our top 5 machines that we couldn't live without. Come on, let's go. We have machines that have been here for 25 years. We have some machines that are brand new. Let's go look at them. By far, our favorite machine is this little Mitsubishi forklift. It's a 5,000 pound capacity forklift. This thing has been around my entire, not just my career, my entire life, and has picked up millions of parts throughout its lifetime. If I can make any suggestion to you, if you're starting a fabrication shop or a machine shop, the first thing that you need is a good forklift. Number one. Most of our forklifts we actually buy used, normally at auction. You can go to bidspotter.com, has a lot of auctions that come up. Or if you're here local in Houston, you can go to Ritchie Brothers, and they have a huge auction where you can pick up equipment, normally at a pretty good price. But again, when you buy used equipment, it may come with some problems, but if you're willing to put in the elbow grease to fix it, totally worth it. Up next, I'd pick the TrueBend 5230. The 5230s are a good balance of capability and cost. And for us, once we've invested in the Trumps, we're able to do a lot more custom work, faster turnaround work. And now with the way manufacturing is going, everyone has gone to 3D. So now we're able to take a 3D model, program the laser, program the press brake, and our first part off the machine normally is dead on. And primarily the programming software interacts really well together. The Trump press brake is definitely, right there at the top of our list. And if you want to get a better view of our shop, we actually have a full tour down below. You can watch that video. On to the next machine. Third on the list would have to be the flex arm. There's nothing too complicated about it. It's just a tapping head on a tool arm. But what this allows us to do is we're able to laser cut parts and then tap them with the flex arm rather than putting them into a $400,000 to $500,000 machining center and getting coolant all over them. So we're able to go from cut part to finished deliverable product in just a few seconds rather than adding a whole nother operation. So this has helped us keep our prices low and keep our quality and our delivery up. Flex Arm's pretty wild. I've actually got to meet their president. He came down and toured our facility here. And actually, if you keep watching, here in the next couple months, we have some new machines coming in from Flex Arm. We'll be able to machine up to 20 foot long. So keep a lookout for that. Now, one of the things, this one will do up to about M16 or 5/8 tap. If we look at this monster, this guy will do up to an M50 or 2 inches. So if you look, that's the chuck for the tap. So that would be a monster of a tap. But it's got enough torque to handle it. And then also, it actually has a built-in clutch in the tapping head. So if your tap binds up or you reach the bottom of the hole, it will actually clutch out so you don't snap your tap. That's probably the most important part. Just a heads up, my new favorite is actually coming right here. We'll be tearing down all these racks and the new machine's going right there. Drop a comment, tell us what you think it is. I will give you a hint, it's big. Fourth on the list would have to be the 3080. This one, it's an 8 kilowatt. It's not the highest power laser that we have. The big deal on this one is that we can cut up to 8 foot wide by 26 foot long. So we can utilize different materials, very long customer parts. Basically, if you can fit it on the bed, we can make it. And we actually have a full video on this laser, and you click on the link wherever it goes. Last on the list would be the Tube Laser 5000. Going to Tube Laser has completely changed the way that we manufacture parts here. It's allowed us to serve a larger variety of industries, improve our speed, our cost, and our quality. And once you go to Tube Laser, there's really no going back. I mean, take a look at this behind me, see how fast that thing's cooking. The 5000, again, is a good balance between cost and capability. On this machine, we can load bundles of material at a time. Also, we can go from 1/2 inch diameter all the way up to 6 inch diameter. Another feature that this machine has that some tube lasers don't is that we can actually do true bevels with this machine. So you get very good quality parts. I hope you enjoyed this video on our top 5 and keep watching the channel. We have a whole bunch of new arrivals coming.